Hi, this is Gary Johnson from Chicago, Illinois. I recently used 100% snake oil. I put it in before I went to the hardware store to pick up some supplies. By the time I got to the hardware store, I was impressed with the improvement of the handling of my vehicle. The idling was smoother, the acceleration was more, and by the time I got back, I've only used it for a couple days, but I am so impressed with the improvement to my vehicle. Thank you very much. Oh, by the way, it's a Chevy 2009 2500 cargo van, over 200,000 miles. Thank you.